So the myth is real estate investments are a passive source of income. Reality, real estate investments such as rental properties require active management, including tenant relations, maintenance, as well as financial planning. First up, active management. Having a real estate investment property is like running a small business. You are responsible for finding, screening, and managing tenants. This involves marketing your property, having a good relationship with your tenant, screening your tenants, as well as collecting rent. Let's talk about maintenance. There's no such thing as a home staying in perfect condition. You'll need to invest time and money to make sure it's upkept. This includes repairs, renovations, as well as safety measures to comply with all the guidelines. Ignoring maintenance can lead to costly repairs down the line. Lastly, financial strategy is crucial. So this includes budgeting for property expenses, property taxes, and any foregoing issues that may come up, such as vacancies. Wise financial planning will help you weather the ups and downs of real estate investment. So there you have it, folks. Real estate investment is not as passive as it may seem.